Hey guys, this is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I will show you how you can download the Amazon app on your mobile device. Amazon App Store is the app store that is available on all Amazon Fire devices, including the Kindle Fire and the Fire Stick. It essentially serves the same purpose as Google Play Store and has Android apps for these devices. Now, it can be installed on most Android devices and provide users with an alternative to Google Play Store. However, the process requires you to enable the ability to install apps from unknown sources. Now, recently the Amazon App Store went through a major redesign, and in order to enjoy the new features along with the updated products, you need to download the Amazon app on your mobile device. For that, you just have to watch the video very carefully and follow the steps accordingly. So, here what most people do is they go to the Play Store and search for the Amazon app, and in results what they get is the Amazon Shopping. So this is not how you do it. This is the second redesigned app by Amazon, but it consists of the same feature the original Amazon had. Now, here is how you download the original Amazon app on your mobile device. First, you need to open any browser, go to the search bar and type Amazon App Store. Once you type in search, you will be redirected to a page like this. Here you can see the Amazon app, tap on it. As you are redirected to another page, you can see an option here, Get Amazon App Store. You need to click on that. And once you click on it, you land onto an interface like this. A pop-up link will show up in no time. Here you need to tap on Download. So once you tap on Download, you will be notified about the app once it is downloaded. So here, as you can see, my app is downloaded, and here I have the option to tap Open. Once you tap on it, the confirmation link to install your application will show up in your phone. You tap on Install. Once the app is installed, you can tap on Open. Tap on Remind Me Later. Now you can create a new Amazon account or sign in with your existing account to discover top apps and games and get recommendation based on the titles you love. Also, you can save on apps, games, and in-app items with Amazon coins and access all of your apps, get app updates, and manage subscription in one place. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked that video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and keep updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.